Welcome to Paintify. Today I'm going to show you how our new referral program works, where you can earn 40 free credits every time you refer a friend who makes their first purchase. Let's dive in. First, let me show you where to find the referral program. Click on Your Profile and Style Transfers at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Referral Program Tutorial to read all the details, or click the Referrals tab to get your unique referral link right away. Once you're in the Referrals section, you'll see your stats, total referrals, credits earned, and pending referrals. Here's how the program works. First, copy your unique referral link. It looks something like this: paintify-style-transfer.lovable.app, ref equals your code. Then share it with people who have never signed up to Paintify before. This is important. When they create a new account using your referral link and purchase their first credit pack of $5 or more, you automatically receive 40 free credits. Your stats update instantly, no need to track manually. Now, let's talk about the important eligibility requirements. The person you refer must be a new user who has never had a Paintify account before. They must sign up using your unique referral link. Credits are only awarded when they complete their first credit pack purchase. Retroactive referrals are not eligible. If you referred someone before this program launched, or they already have an account, you cannot claim credits for them. Manual referral claims are not supported. Referrals must be tracked through the referral link system. You'll see your earned credits appear in your credit history like this. Where should you share your link? To avoid platform moderation issues, we recommend WhatsApp, share in private chats, Messenger, send directly to friends. Email, invite your contacts, Instagram and TikTok, add to your bio, and X, Twitter, post with creative content. Avoid posting your link in public Facebook comments, use private messages instead. That's it. Start sharing your referral link today and earn 40 credits for every friend who joins Paintify and makes their first purchase. If you have questions, check the full tutorial in your profile settings or contact us at paintifyartstudio@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Paintify tutorials.